Hello everybody สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to our time for enjoy Today before we go cooking we would like to show you our dragon fruit from our paradise farm in Thailand. Look at this is dragon fruit flower blooms. Look at all the bees, love them so much. Fruit green like this, and we know ready to wrap up, and this is how we wrap them up. We wrap up with a special plastic bag for fruit wrap up because of in um, our farm we not use any chemical. We try to grow everything organic, and the way we do it, because we don't want the green flies or bird to get to our fruit, we have to wrap them up. This is only my mom grow this on the fence, and we try to grow everything what we eat, and that what I've been done, wrap them up. As you see all the bag along the front of our house, our farm, we wrap them when they're green, and couple weeks they go red, and we know that it's ready like this color of the dragon fruit. I'll show you. Different color now, that means we know the light, and it go red like this. Oh, this is the best fruit, yummy, nice. When you put them in the refrigerator and you eat it when hot, oh, so lovely. This is ingredient for today. We have sliced of pork liver and sliced ginger, spring onion, green pepper, onion and garlic, fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and we will show you what we're gonna make today. First thing, we turn heat on medium heat, and we know the pan ready. We just put like 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and we're gonna stir fry garlic, chopped garlic. Today is my mom cooking for me, but she want to show how she make ginger stir fry with pork liver. So we know garlic ready, and we put onion. We use 1 onion and slice them, and now we stir fry together. After that, we put green pepper. This is the Thai green pepper to have a little bit of spicy taste. I think if you not have the similar, you can use green chili mixing with the green pepper to get the spicy taste. Stir fry, and after that put slices of ginger. We use 1 cup of sliced ginger. Now we stir them. Couple minutes. After a couple minutes, my mom put oyster sauce. Because my mom is the person healthy too. She eat healthy food, and she not put about 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And now after that, we put soy sauce. The same thing. We put about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Now I can smell ginger. Oh, lovely. So you can stir fry about 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, we're gonna put pork liver in there. We not stir them that much to make sure we will not make pork liver go to small piece. We only just do like my mom do, turn over and turn over. My mom technique, we put pork liver after all the vegetables because of to make sure all the pork liver not overcooked. The worst thing you cook the worst thing you cooking is overcooked pork liver, not taste nice at all. Now we're gonna do like turn over, make sure all the pork liver cook. Let's say about 4 to 5 minutes. Then when she put pork liver in there, and she just add a little bit of water. Make sure have a little bit of sauce, as you see. What we do? Add a little bit of water. Get the sauce. The last vegetable, what we do? Let it cook. Let it the sauce boil for a little bit, and my mom turned the heat off. And now we know the pork liver is ready, and you can see the pork is cooked. And she add spring onion.
หอมพอดีเลยไหมล่ะ
จ้ะ
เยอะอย่างนี้
Yes, my mom say we taste it already, it's yum, taste it so nice. And now she turn over a little bit because the heat is still there. That means spring onion will be cooked by the heat after she turn off the heat.
หาอะไรเอา
This is it
ไม่ต้อง
done,
คิดซอสคิด
and we will serve this with
คิดเครียดตับ
jasmine
หอม
rice.
ซะ
And I show you, and Graham will taste this, and I know he will love it. It's dinner time. That's what we're gonna serve. Dinner for Graham.
Guinea pig time.
The big plate is for Graham.
I'll soon start going.
Did you forget something? You say swadika to everyone here.
Monica, welcome.
Come on, you said.
Oh,
What do you think?
different.
What taste like?
Very different. Bit chewy. I think it was just tough porcupine. I think the piggy was an old one because it's a bit chewy.
No. Oh, good man. What do you think?
Tastes good.
A spicy.
Bit
A little
spicy.
Yeah, that is from Thai green chili, and have ginger, spicy from ginger. I knew you. Oh goodness! I will let Graham to enjoy his dinner, and thank you for watching our video. ขอบคุณนะคะ and we see you next time. Bye for now. But please
Subscribe, ding the bell, and leave a comment if you would like. I'd love to have a comment.
Yeah, if you like this video, please give us a thumb up and share our video. Thank you. Bye bye.